So as we were sitting here talking about these frame offs, we kind of got a little sentimental and we're thinking of one that we did that actually went, I would say, really well and was really surprising.
Yeah, really quick too.
So my dad had picked up let's call it 84 Coupe de Ville. Had the HT 4100 motor. It was a boat anchor to say the least. And my car died as I think it was coming off the trailer. I mean, I don't think it went very far.
And at the same time, I had found a 94 Fleetwood on Craigslist that had all Hotchkiss suspension under it, Impala SS wheels, and it was just a load of fun to drive. It was original paint. I think I was the third owner. 74,000 miles, I think, when I bought it. Just a beautiful car.
Gorgeous. It was baby blue leather. I mean, it was nice.
It was really nice shape, and somebody ran into it. And I was so upset that it destroyed the original paint, everything. I didn't want anything else to do with the car.
John brought the car to my house. I was living in Austin at the time. He brought the car to the house. We dropped it off. And our goal, just like this one, was to take the LT1 out and put it into the Cadillac.
But it turns out the wheelbase is the same, and the frame mounts are the same, and everything else is the same. So we were actually able to pull the Fleetwood body off, pulled the body off of the Coupe de Ville, and it set right down on the Fleetwood. And total time on that project was what?
Yeah, it was probably about 3 months. I mean, it was crazy. We did the body swap.
A weekend.
It was literally a weekend. I think it took 3 weeks from the point the body was swapped till the point that the car was running. And the only reason it took 3 weeks was John was living up in Dallas. I was living down in Austin. We were both working full time. So the amount of time that we had to do it, I think that would have been a 3 or 4 day job. Even this one now, like this Impala that we're working on, I mean, we're probably a week and a half, 2 weeks solid of time.
Probably got about 100 hours in it at this point, all in. But the cool thing about the Coupe de Ville was Scott and his dad were able to take it on power tour. It was a load of fun to drive, and it was actually a pretty cool looking car too, because you did not expect what it was. It ran well, it looked good. The Fleetwood had 342 gears put in it.
342s, LT1, 4L60E, all updated driveline. We had the updated fuel tank, so we didn't have to worry about the rusty tank that came out of the Coupe de Ville. We had the plastic tank.
The AC worked. It started every time. It was just a really, really good car. Turns out, even if you do all that, at the end, it's still 84 Coupe de Villes.
And they're in demand now. Probably sold it cheap, and but it's last I heard, running around Colorado somewhere, probably enjoying its best life. We love the chase, we love the hunt, we love kind of bringing these things back to life and getting them back on the road. Cool. That's it for now, guys, gals.
Thanks for listening.
We're good.